Well, not even into 2020. Already. 2021 and 2020 iPhones. Let's just start the video. Hey, what is up everybody? Michael here. Welcome back to Technoid. And guys, it's been a while. I've been sick for the past couple of days. Feeling a little bit better now. Up in my feet, prepping for finals. So I apologize for the lack of uploads. Just gotta really hammer in these finals and then we're done with school for a good month. And to all my new subscribers that are just coming in, thank you for subscribing. I always say it and I will keep saying it till the day I'm dead. I really appreciate just even if one person watches. So thank you for subscribing. We are almost at 800 subs. Like I said, the goal is 1,000. If we get to 1,000, I am doing that special 1,000 subscriber video. More on that in the future, but tonight we're only gonna do 2 stories, and these stories tonight are really gonna be very heavily opinion based, but I will try my best to give you the stories, and I'll try my best to keep my opinion out of it as best as I can. But with that said, story number 1, Apple. So, you know, I used to think that people would get excited for iPhones because the rumors. Now I don't know what I'm feeling anymore or what people are to think, because the latest report is now saying that the 2020 iPhones are going to have 6. I remind you, 6. No, you know what? No. Cut the article, cut the music. No. We're not doing this. I'm not covering this story. And you know what? I've had enough. I have been sick for 3 days, and for 3 days, I have seen articles every single day talk about new iPhone models coming out of the blue, coming everywhere, out my ass, out my fucking dick, like everywhere they are making articles saying that we are gonna get more than 4 iPhones. Now, originally the rumors started we were gonna get the Pro, the regular, the SE, and the Pro Max. That was it. All of a sudden, we get now 5 phones. Ming-Chi Kuo says 5 phones. But then today, 6. No. We're not gonna cover that. As a matter of fact, this has to stop. I am genuinely pissed off, and I am pissed off at the tech community as well. Listen, guys, I am not saying my subscribers. I'm talking about the tech community as a whole. Because you guys are literally reading this shit and spreading this shit. This is the reason why you can never have good things. These are some of the worst speculations for a phone that is a year away. The iPhone 11 Pro and Pro Max are out. But no, that is not good enough. What do? We start firing up for next year, and you're even talking about 2021. When did 2021 come into place? I don't understand why are they doing this so early, and I don't understand why people are running with this shit. Literally, every fucking YouTuber is running with these stories, and it's pissing me off. It should piss you off. I don't know how it doesn't piss you off. Like, seriously. How can you watch videos that say one day, oh, we're gonna get 5 iPhones, now we're gonna get 4, or whatever the fuck the number is. What's next, 6? Like, I don't understand how you guys can watch this shit and not, like, say something about it. Like, you have a voice too, speak up. Why are you covering this to all these YouTubers? And to these analysts, to Ming-Chi Kuo, to all these idiots that literally are not even saying they're idiots, but to all these people just spreading this shit. Like, tone it down. We are not even in 2020. Hell, we haven't even started Apple's releases of 2020 products. So enough. Stop saying what to speculate and stop spreading this shit. Every day it's like something new with the iPhone 12, the iPhone 12 Pro, and then we talk about 5G, and then we have to talk about 2021 iPhones. Enough! Like, seriously, stick to one fucking story and then we'll move on. Every day, it is the same bullshit that is posted on every fucking channel. From, no disrespect, because I love these YouTubers. I love them. But Front Page Tech, then you've got Greg, then you've got Taylosive, then you've got iUpdates. How many more people have to spread this shit? Like, I'm literally losing my mind. Please, I love these guys. I love them. I watch them every day. But I can't sit by and just ignore what they're doing. Like, guys, you realize by you reporting this stuff, it's not solving an issue. It's literally just increasing the wildfire. If you ignore the shit, we could be fine. And I've had enough, okay? I've had enough. I love these guys. Again, no disrespect. Like, I'm being honest. There is no disrespect here. I love Front Page Tech. I love IOJs. I love Greg. I love all these guys. But you guys have got to stop spreading this stuff. And to the people that are posting this shit, to the media outlets, to the analysis, y'all have got to stop. Y'all keep predicting shit for Apple that ain't gonna happen. Every time some of you have said this and that, it has not come true. The only one that is most reliable is Ming-Chi Kuo, but even then, you're going off the haywire. So enough. Enough of the Apple rumors and enough of the iPhone 12 and 2021 models. Obviously, I'm gonna cover them, but for once, I'm taking a stand. I refuse to cover from this point forward till next year. I am not covering any rumors on iPhone 12s or 2021. Until we get closer to when the 2021 models start to become in bloom, that is when I'll start covering. And to my side man camera over there, you better not be Detective Pikachu with this shit, because I'm sticking true to my word.
Man, I'm keeping my mouth shut.
Zip it. Anyway. So, that is what I just wanted to get off my chest. And I hope you guys understand. Now, next story and last one, and then I'm done. The Mac Pro. The real professional Mac. Well, as you would have guessed, it was Apple's most expensive Mac, and it is made for a certain audience. And everybody is complaining. You know what? I'm not gonna yell. I'm not gonna get mad. I'm not gonna freak out. I'm just gonna say to those that are freaking out,
hey, I'm not surprised, motherfuckers.
This is what pro means. Professional hardware. That is what the word pro means. You know, you talk about headphones being pro, Solo Pros, Powerbeats Pros, AirPod Pros, iPhone Pro, MacBook Pro, iMac Pro, iPad Pro. Well, the difference with those devices and the difference with this is you were able to buy those devices. Now you see a machine like the Mac Pro, a machine that is true to the word pro. And I don't want to hear any of you tech enthusiasts out there in the comment section. If you start writing away, oh, well, this tech spec, shut up. Just shut up. But it's funny because you guys can afford this stuff. But when you see a computer that's $6,000, but is made for a specific audience, and if you max it out to $56,000, you'll turn around and say, it's too expensive. It's ridiculous. Well, guess what, genius? It's not for you. It is for a certain demographic that are real pro users. And that is why I am not mad, because now all you people out there that always say, oh, pro, now you see what happens when you meet a real pro device. The word pro has been tossed around as a marketing gimmick because nobody can tell the difference, and consumers are dumb enough to believe it, and they don't know because, hey, it's not their fault. But now that you see the potential of a real professional device, a real machine that is made of the word pro, and you get mad because it's that much money, don't complain. Open your eyes a little bit and realize that is what pro means. To spend that much money on that much power. And that is it for today's episode of Technoid. So thank you guys. I have a really bad headache from all that yelling. And yeah, I'll see you on the next one. Peace.